This is the newest summer edition of Air Wick's Room Refresher. We got this version called Carribean Mango Dream in Germany. The fragrance is supposed to smell like mango and peach. One refill is lasting for up to 60 days. Let's open the package and replace the spray in our freshmatic. The fragrance smells sweet and is enhancing the home scent. Although we cannot tell that it is really smelling like mangoes, it gives us a summer feeling. Which Air Wick fragrance is your favorite one?